All right, people. Big up on yourself again. Don't know things set already. They are national stadium. At this present moment, what, November the month? Today, November much? 13th, right? Okay. November 13th, the day before the possible horror show or the possible victory celebration. So I have to say it from now. It can go one of two ways. Either we are celebrate or we are cry. One of two ways it can go. But you don't know me over a grandstand. Luckily, just luckily, me and media. So being over here, so, me not have to pay the $6,000. But, nothing already, we have to pay for the $6,000 for the grandstand. Over bleachers are 15 bills. Still come out and support same way. Normally bleachers pack. You know, the rich people, them, the hype type, you know, the uptown people, them over the grandstand. I show me a media, I can get for mix and mungle. No, show me a media. Show me a media, I can get for mix and mungle the uptown, the brown people, them, the eye color people, them, you know, with the world for money. Anyways, I thought it was a bit of classism. Big up on yourself, people. It's a knocking semi come forward. Knocking semi forward.
They need somebody.
So don't put the chair, eh?
They need somebody with.
I can put some pressure on the thing.
Cause big up Mighty Malt, you know, the sponsor. Look out for under 14, under 16.
U14, U16. Big up yourself, Mighty Malt. Don't have some more work to do with Mighty Malt again.
We're going to blur it out pending the video.
Pending. All right, so you are going to know people. So we're at a stage right now where we're in the quarterfinals of the CONCACAF Nations League, the quarterfinals. We already qualified for the Gold Cup. So far, Steve McClaren are doing good work. But this is a big step. I asked one question at the press conference surrounding the mentality going to this game. And not just how the players them feel in the dressing room. And not just that. The question I'm asked specifically speak about the fact that for many years, USA have gotten the head of us. Despite the team of USA put out, all of them take them scrape in the bottom of my barrel for two baller. MLS, if they go down on like USL.
Them never ever go USL. Stop it.
Even if, just as I say, even if they go down there.
It's a drama about it.
Even if they go down there, we have a problem same way. Because the name USMNT is a problem for us. The need, just that alone is a problem for us. And it comes like I said, that have a psychological hold on we. And as it stands, once we see what play against the US, we already defeated. So we'll play a good game, we'll have a really good game, and all of a sudden, USA score upon we, and heads drop. Time and time again we see it. Remember one time we go to one competition, one of the Gold Cup them, USA basically carry them Z squad. Still beat you out.
The C squad, remember man, it's same Gold Cup with
Z squad that man.
And it was like a C squad. Yeah, man.
Z! But I'm a barrel and go scrape.
In a MLS.
Because then this I said that year they not focus on the Nation League. And they make a Nation League ball of them.
Can remember them did
exactly.
In Spain and all of them, you know.
Yeah. So then goes a boom. Alright. But in the idea, them still get the job done. Same way, no matter what we do. So me asked the question and the coach said, important thing is consistency. Consistency can build the level of confidence. And if you start win games, naturally your confidence level go up. Confidence level is one I think we can break them little psychological barrier there. One little moment in a game can change everything. And me I say no, fair enough. But I do still believe that there is a psychological disadvantage over the USA team, time and time again. But you don't know, that's a big factor going to the game tomorrow. From your perspective, how you feel about the team? We just done watch a training session. You know, people, we there to see them. Yeah,
we can't really tell them how we see it right now. You know?
Yeah, no, we're not telling them what we see. Like, we're not telling them what we see in that training session.
You know already.
But you can tell you, like, players you're impressed with. And
you know that
where you think you like them.
Alright, personally, you know, so they come out here to look for Isaac Hayden. And basically, what I can see from him, I can see that, you know, that the coach really impressed with him ball, how him handle the ball. Come on, man. Yeah. No, we can't take it serious. Yes, man. Why you think? Before we go, why you think about Isaac today? You see me for G.
Alright, for me, so I didn't see.
He was one of the few who scored today, you know.
No, man, what people score, man?
No, it's not
what people score.
Yo, we can't talk to you sometime, you see. Talk to them and tell them you're true.
No, man, when I don't talk.
Alright, honestly, I see that the coach really I put some work, especially in Joel, because you know that Joel, he want more out of Joel basically. So I'm looking for Joel, not sit back so deep, but try and advance a little bit more. Don't be the third man in the defense, but actually play in front of the defense. I'm not sure what he want, but you know that Joel is normally a person who will looking to pass the ball out from the back with, but at times it goes straight.
Can you say me not check if Mike and do?
For real?
Yeah, man, sometimes.
Yeah. I saw it go. We could just, you're not supposed to bad because the play is silent, so we're supposed to go. The mic on, man. You're not so fool. What you mean you're not saying nothing? Turn it on then, look on the mic thing and turn it on.
It's supposed to be on. But anyways, we could chat.
We could just go and talk. Yeah, back about Joel. Joel now.
Let me check this. Yeah, let me watch chat. If you're not hand in a hand, if you're hand in hand. Yeah. So you're going. Say you're going, people. This is one chance of me doing a preview. If a preview don't go through, boy, unfortunately, me shake me and I say it's rough.
Boy,
go on.
And them depend on you for news. You see bad people. But anyways, back to Joel now. Joel now, we're looking at Joel for play. We already know the type of player Joel is. Very hard working. But I want a little bit more on the technical side as it relates to ball control and how him handle the ball in the midfield. You know, it's not the most secure play. Yeah, him did I work with him after the game, so I guess him want more out time and we can see that him want more out time. What we want to look at now is how we use the wing back them in this game. Because remember I said the wing back them can be key into how we counter in this game. Because the wing back them going to do a lot of defending and they're going to do a lot of attacking.
You play the high line too.
Exactly. So that is where we can try to get in. What I'm mostly I'm going to just rip the band-aid off. We all want to know about Leon Bailey. How can Leon Bailey can affect this team and should Leon Bailey start in this team? It's a no-brainer. Everybody going to say, oh, Leon Bailey has to start. But does he has to start? Think about it.
That's a fair question. He's our best player.
He's our best player.
Best attacker.
But we'll see what happened in the past. We'll see, although him said the general is
not
back.
The most informed.
The general is back.
In my view, I don't think, I don't know. Listen, this is way off topic, but I don't think that he should have, well, you know what? It's good for
you know what? Let me talk, cause remember say I interviewed the ball them.
Go on.
But when I talk today, and honestly, with the whole Leon Bailey issue, I honestly think Sam Share did apologize even to write something or whatever.
Why?
based off of how him did come out of the side. You know, him basically him misleading information. Even go on the interview them. It's not one or two interview. Him take the time out to it's not say belittle.
For what exactly?
For what him say how him go about it. Alright, I understand the stand.
Apologize to who?
To the country.
To the country?
Yeah, it's an apology to the country. Not just the team alone, but to the country. Because when him go out and talk them way about the country, you know, it make the country look, you know, little in a sense.
For me, I see have a need to apologize.
You don't see no need for apologize. What you want from him then? Just start back the match and just give some brilliant
performance.
Well, a good performance would be... That is true. That is true still.
But man of the match performance, I will win the game. That's I did not as an apology. But you know if you drop a stinker in front of the people,
with just this. Because to be honest, you never find it disrespectful as a person in the country. More want to move off it because I don't want to lament because things and it done gone. But yeah, I just didn't want to because we have to rip the band-aid off. Come on. We can't talk about Leon and don't talk about that.
I think it was disrespect to as his teammates as well.
So how you as a teammate now, him coming in back into the side, what would you want from him? You wouldn't want him even for touch back the topic?
No.
Or you just want him to go out there and give him all?
Make it pass.
You sure if you did it in our side and him speed them with
the pass is the pass now, and then we just assess it from there. The pass is the pass. It don't happen and done gone. We can't take it back.
As I say, I don't want to lament on it, but you have to talk about it every time. Hopefully next year I don't talk about this. As I say, I'm going to give you a couple good performances, and we're going to hopefully we can forget about it. But what are your thoughts on Leon Bailey coming into the side?
One, as much as what happened for me, I'm going to be honest. This is brutally honest. If he was here. Or is not, I'm just supporting the team. I just support the team. If I'm there in a team or not, I team I support. Because at the end of the day, no matter how we want to look on it, football will come to play. Football I mean focus. You will have issues where with players, you have issues with coach. Whole lot of things can pop up. Everybody have them different views on the situation. For me, as I say, if they come back, no problem. If they decide they're not calling back, no problem at all. I just say go. Now since he's here and we need him, I just hope say and give you what we need. Because I do think that based off of all of go down, if you know put in a good performance, I think especially where the fans, Jamaican people carry grudge. Jamaican football supporters carry grudge.
What are you saying?
Yeah, man, we carry grudge, man. And me can tell her, if you come in front of people and I don't give you what them think they deserve, they might make you know. So they might either boo you, they will boo you, Jamaican people will boo you one. That's how we see it. We're very critical. We're really, really critical.
What you want from Leon tomorrow?
Just a good performance.
No agenda, you don't want no goal, no assist, you don't want him no goal.
Enough
Contribution, you just need a good
we just want a really good overall performance.
Defend and attack well
yes,
with the team.
and exactly. Because he not have to score and he not have to assist. Because he can build up the play and stuff and the goal come from.
Yeah,
but we just want him to have a really good performance where he can get the monkey there off him back.
So you don't think scoring a goal will be getting the monkey off her back?
Yeah, man, those are big plus.
To give goals to this national team.
Them something that big plus.
We'll look for him to give us goal contribution. So that itself would be a monkey off him back.
Yeah.
If him have a great performance tomorrow, but him don't score or assist,
people look past it. People look past it.
Even have a key pass, you think people going to look past it?
Yeah, man, people look past it. You don't think so? He might have to score.
I think people that want him for
yeah, man, they want him to score, but I think
want them to be that man and then think that him should be. The man said General is back, you know.
Yeah, but
General there
him can be the man who take them to school, or cause be a problem, all that kind of stuff. So we look on them things there. And as I said, for me, I just want one good performance. Other people have a different opinion on it.
Tariq
Magee depends on if I'm a player. Tough game this for him.
That's what
based off of how him play.
Would you put Tariq Magee in this side?
Not for this one. Not for this one. But if
what your midfield look like for you?
Latte body here, I look on. Yeah, man, me can do it a little bit later in the show. Little bit later in the show. Because I might not do the preview show.
Okay.
So I probably have to go to it. So a little bit later. But I'm not sure if Tariq will play. I'm not sure if Tariq will play based off the nature of the game and based off how I see today, based off how them set up the team and stuff.
That was a big indication.
It looked like a more workman type of team. Who might say.
That's why I said Joel looked like him. We actually playing midfield properly this.
The thing is now we're not gonna have the ball, so we have to evaluate them stuff there. US is a more possession based team than us. New coach, no problem, but we have a new coach as well. So we're in a similar position, but their players are more familiar with each other than our players. The same team, them consistently call time and time again. 1 and 2 introduction. Our team kind of have players here, there, and here, you know. Even though we still have a core.
Yeah, we'll have a core.
Even though we have a core.
Don't be like that. We'll be in have a core.
That's what I'm saying. That me mentioned. That's what I'm saying. You know.
We actually have. This is the most. I think.
But he had the problem with the core now. Pinnock is out.
Yeah, just.
Antonio's out. Normally, a DJ, Daniel Johnson would be a part of it.
Daniel Johnson not going to play no more for Jamaica.
I
think the coach tired of him now. I think the coach frustrated with him. And that is just
frustrated?
I think that is because remember when the coach did use him, you know. It was the first somebody him tried with Daniel Johnson. And it was especially the match when they play at this stadium right here. So I could see that the coach was frustrated. You know, it's the same. Not getting no more call up from that match from him players. So
good point, but
one window pass, man. Know this window again passing.
Yeah.
And he's not like him injured or anything. I am not dropping the ball. I'm not raising the trees. And that is just me being honest. You guys can just fact check. You see why I'm not for the videos like that?
Nothing wrong with that. Overall, may expect a workman like performance from the team. I mean, no chances are going limited. So it means that we have to be very, very crucial when we get the chance and efficient. Efficiency is what we're going to deal with tomorrow. Me love preach efficiency, and I think that's going to be a big part of what we do tomorrow. Because we have to be efficient. We're not going to have the ball a lot, which means that when we do have it, we have to make it count. These things matter. But at the end of the day, it's supposed to be a good matchup. So strong USA team.
We want in the midfield, because remember, so we go against Weston McKenzie and Timothy Way, you know.
And those
are big baller, you know.
Ballers.
A
Baller.
them, man. You can't
Quality-wise,
go
them
around
go
it. Would I don't like to
outshine.
say that about USA team.
No,
but
man.
when you
Them
look
go
at them,
outshine. Them go outshine quality-wise. Quality-wise, they are going to outshine
well,
us.
football is not all about quality.
I agree. It's what I'm on the day.
So I forgot praise to the rainfall. Stoke City.
a cool rainy night in Independence Park.
Nice.
Kick them, just kick them all over the place. Just forget about the ball as a kick off of them.
We're joking, we're joking, people.
Anyways,
because this Jamaica team is not like that anymore. So, although we still play the ball long and we realize that we still bypass the midfield, which I don't like. But
tomorrow we have to go bypass the midfield though. We have to go bypass. We don't need if you hold the ball at McClaren Park. We need to get it from the defense to attack as fast as possible.
How you think Hayden can affect this game now? Because if you want,
you think he must start?
That is, I doubt it.
During the press conference today, is that an indication say must start?
That is the thing too, because normally when them have the player who come in, them showing you say, he must start, because that's how we know how it got in the past. A player
naturally.
I never ever say a player do a press conference and don't start. Unless him injured in the warm-up or something. Or get sick the night before or something.
I don't recall that either. It might happen, but I don't recall.
I think he's going to start. But how
so be a soft for that.
How am I going to set up the side with Hayden and...
Ma use a double pivot.
You think so?
Yeah,
I think so too.
Ma go double pivot.
But if him go double pivot...
Lati beside him.
Who you play up top?
Alright, so this
you play
me going a formation.
Oh, might as well. Can we right yourself?
We already did that.
Yeah.
4-2-3-1. Because one need the double pivot. You can go 4-4-2, you know, but 4-2-3-1. Me I got Andre Blake in a goal, which, you know, we all that obvious. Right back, Lembi Kisa. So let me say Lembi Kisa right back. Left back, Gregley, what I say? Gregley? Yes, when I say Amarbel.
No. It's something.
No, because sure, we say Bell didn't get call. Yeah, sure.
No,
on the phone there. Take on the phone.
We never see him in a training.
No, you don't so only talk about him. Me never hear coach mention him neither.
No, but him not playing. You see him today?
No, me not see him.
Me tell you, me never look back.
Check back his squad there. See. Check back his squad.
Yeah, him there, so me not see him.
Me not see him.
Me think he not even get called. You're right, you know. Him there in the
look on in IG page. But you're checking IG page. See if he train yesterday or any time during the week.
You see my laptop up there, by the way?
See there. Yeah. But this is not today. But me never see him today.
This is 44.
No, but this is from yesterday game. It's in there. Let me send there, but me never see him today.
There, but him never trained today.
And yeah, man, he never trained today.
Yeah, some forget him. Becoming a see him so him.
I
remember the squad list. Just I look for the player them who out there.
Yeah.
I never see Gotchi too.
We never see Gotchi.
I never see somebody too.
Who?
You see my boy from
Mount Pleasant. Yeah, man, I see them from Mount Pleasant, man.
Yeah, them good enough.
Yeah. I see something. I never see Gotchi though. So maybe you have 1 or 2 players who probably recover from certain. Probably little niggles or something like that. So I'm going to say Bell in left back. I say Bell in left back. I never hear the coach mention nothing about injuries in a presser. Other than Peanut Naga did here. Yeah.
And did explain the whole Antonio.
Centre back Piern, Damien Lowe. I'm going to say.
You say be brave. I know what he wants to say, be brave.
No, I don't know if I want to say Woolgate.
No, I know that you want to say, but know who you would want. All right.
Oh,
is
no,
it,
man,
is
Bernard.
It what you want or what you?
No, man, I put Bernard. Damien Lowe and Bernard. Remember, so when Ethan Pinnock, when Lowe not playing at Bernard, I see use. In preferred.
When King going get a look in, you know what?
He might get lucky, man. King 22.
You know what?
Might get him lucky, man. No worry.
People are gonna rush me and
no worry about him, man. He might at some point, eventually, he might get him lucky, man. Remember saying if you win a lot, you have your bike now. And him in a crowd, him in the room. Once in a room, at some point he'll be selected. So that's my back four. Right back, Lembi Kisa. Left back, Bell. Bernard and Lowe start.
I don't have a problem with that.
We see the back line already.
No problem.
Yeah.
Holgate can come on in the 85th from up 1-0, 2-0.
Based off of facts, we see Hayden in the presser. I'm going to say Hayden and Latibody has a 2 in the middle pitch.
Cool. I agree with that. That's so funny. I'm not fight you out.
On the right hand side, I go Bailey. On the left hand side, I'm going to go with Cephas.
Fair. Yeah.
Cephas is the most informed attacker we have. Last 5 games, 4 goals.
Put in the middle and who are go up top.
The thing is now, I go put in the middle of the park, I go put Demar Gray in attacking midfield position.
I don't like that.
Who you play there? Casey Palmer?
You see why I'm not put them something I me say one. Demari, I don't really think Demari half away as much playing in attacking midfield. If we are going to use attacking midfield, use
So you put him over on the left?
Use the boy.
Who? Maggie?
Use him.
Alright.
And
Alright.
if we want to play somebody in the middle, we can play Bailey in the middle.
But here what I think about
we
it, bro.
could play Bailey in the middle.
Here what I think about
We could play Bailey right off. We could make him strike right beside Nicholson. We could have used him.
I said that about 4-4-2 then.
No, but alright, we'll make Bailey can play that falls.
If we go 4-4-2, right wing. If we go 4-4-2, right wing, Cephas, left wing, Gray. Bailey and both
you don't have to be
behind,
flat. You don't be
one in front of the other. 4-1-1.
Yeah, you have a supporting striker. Bailey plays the supporting striker very well.
Make him come in quite a few. And him can also come support the midfielders them.
Because remember the role that Bailey play when he play for the national team is not the same role as him play for Villa. He's more of a facilitator.
Yeah.
You get what I say? Him link up the play a lot.
So we can work with that then.
Yeah, we could have
4-1-1 and then Bailey behind Boza.
It's a high possibility that is the same squad will come out here and see. Because I think he's going to use Cephas because Cephas is, as they say, is one of the most informed players.
And the one I keep on, let me tell you the reason why I put in Demar Gray with Bailey and Cephas. We might not have a ball a lot.
Speed.
And them are going to play a high line. And if you have Bailey, Gray and Cephas, turn up on your defender them. You are worried.
You don't call Boza. Boza, big up yourself,
Boza not so fast. But him can make himself available.
You sound nice when you say.
But not fast. Boza not fast.
You sound nice.
But Boza not fast.
Him not so fast. Him not fast at all.
Him not fast. I'm not lying. But him not fast.
But he's a good target, man.
He's a good target, man.
But you know, Boza did more agile and more quicker back then. I don't know what happened now. I guess him more of more muscle now.
Put on too much muscle.
But like you don't want to say wait.
Are you upset that now? But definitely. So when I put balls up there, and as I said, target man, then can hit it on him, and then whosoever running, hopefully he can hold the ball as best as possible. We get a better performance from him. So may I work with that? You no problem with that?
No problem. Surprising.
Yeah.
Surprised you agree.
Score prediction.
Somebody did say we visit Bob Marley Museum
One
the
Love,
other day.
Jamaica.
One Love. One hot Bob Marley, but
One Love.
can this Jamaica side hold out and don't concede? And can this side score more than one goal?
I'm going to say 2-1 Jamaica.
And that's what I wanted to lead to, but do you see us
yes, man. We can
more
score
than one goal?
Yeah, man.
But you know, so we have to concede.
Chip it. Yeah, we have to concede. Chip it to score. Chip it. Yeah, I think he must score.
You know, say
Redemption arc.
The general is here.
The
general is back.
I'm going to say Chippy score. And probably Damien Low header. Yeah, so Damien Low header, I will probably be first goal.